Combatants. How can the massive CH-53K King Stallion lift battle tanks and even aircraft? Stay with me until the end of this video, because you'll uncover jaw-dropping details, surprising capabilities, and fascinating facts that prove why the King Stallion is known as the undisputed king of heavy-lift helicopters. The CH-53K King Stallion is powered by three GE T408 engines, each delivering 7,500 shp for a total of 22,500 shp. This massive output drives a 7-blade, 24-meter rotor, enabling external loads of up to 16 tons. Its fly-by-wire system ensures precise electronic control, reducing pilot workload and improving stability. Fun fact: its combined power equals more than 20 Formula One cars at full throttle. The King Stallion retains the classic Stallion silhouette, but with key upgrades: a reinforced fuselage, larger cabin for troops or vehicles, and a 7-blade composite rotor. The tail includes a rear ramp for loading, and its retractable landing gear is designed for rough terrain. Fun fact, its blades are so large they had to be built as a single piece to reduce failure risks. Though primarily a transport, the CH-53K can be armed with defenses. Two 12.7mm XM218 heavy machine guns on the sides and one M3M GAU-21 at the rear ramp. It also features countermeasure systems like chaff and flare dispensers to deceive enemy radar and missiles. Fun fact, with its doors open in flight, it can turn into a flying machine gun nest. The CH-53K was designed to replace the CH-53E, yet it is already expected to spawn new variants. The baseline model focuses on heavy lift but could adapt to naval missions, special operations, or exports with tailored systems. Fun fact, the nickname King Stallion highlights its superiority over the Super Stallion, cementing its title as the king of heavy helicopters. The main operator of the CH-53K is the US Marine Corps, with over 200 units on order. Israel has also confirmed acquisition to replace its veteran CH-53 Yassur fleet. Germany and other nations have studied procurement. Fun fact, each unit costs over $120 million, making it the most expensive helicopter ever mass-produced. The King Stallion was designed for critical missions, troop and vehicle transport, aerial refueling, amphibious operations, and even medical evacuation. Its ability to lift nearly 3 times more than the CH-53E makes it vital in modern warfare. Fun fact, it can carry the new JLTV armored vehicle fully slung beneath the helicopter.
Hey, Brzezina, you know you don't need to take that top row off just enough so they can pull it down and look in, right?
I'm just gonna go to the chat.
Make sure when we take those ones with the nuts off, we put them right there. We need to take a little bit of the clothes out. 10 minutes, 10, 15. 10, 15.
Mission accomplished, warriors. If the power of the CH-53K King Stallion impressed you, show your strength. Hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell to follow the next missions. On Military Colossus, you'll find new military machines every week with detailed analysis and exclusive footage. Tell us in the comments which aircraft or vehicle should be our next target. And remember, you can support the channel with a donation. Link in the description and pinned comment. Together, we keep the Colossus marching, ready for the next battle.